Hello and welcome to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this Cubilux USB-C microphone, and I got this microphone for my Google Pixel 6 to increase the audio quality when recording videos for my reviews. So as you can hear right now, I'm using the audio from my cell phone and it's not the best, but I'm hoping with using this Cubilux omnidirectional mic with the USB-C connection, I can improve the audio quality for my videos. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up the packaging, show you what the mic looks like. I will connect the mic to my Google Pixel 6 and then record the audio and see what the difference is with using this omnidirectional microphone. Just as a little disclaimer here, I'm using my blue Snowball microphone to do the voiceover for this part of the video, so the audio quality will be different. But this microphone comes with a bag, the long cable, and a cover that goes over the microphone itself to protect from wind. So this microphone will pick up sounds 360 degrees around your voice, but it will block out other sounds like light buzzing, birds chirping, noisy AC, and other sounds in the background. It's plug and play, so plug it in, select the external microphone when recording, and it's great for streaming, for YouTube, TikTok, and more. And it's compatible with a variety of different devices that use USB-C. So now I'm using the microphone, the external microphone here. I got it on my collar of my shirt here. It comes with a clip, and I got the 10-foot cable option for this microphone. So you can get a 5-foot option as well, but I'm opting for the 10-foot cable so I can be farther away from my phone. And the audio quality, the nice thing about this microphone is it's plug and play and USB-C, so all you need to do is plug it into your phone. I'm using a Pixel 6. As long as you have a USB-C connector on your phone, you can use this microphone. All you need to do is plug it in, and then in the settings before you take your video, make sure that you select the external microphone that's plugged in, and then it should pick up the audio quality or audio from the microphone itself. So no matter which way I'm looking, left or right, it's omnidirectional microphone, so it should pick up the audio quality. And it should be a lot better than using the phone itself, because I'm quite a big distance from the phone with using this microphone. So we'll see the difference between the beginning of this review and now of what the audio quality will be like using this USB-C microphone. So upon further review, I just listened to the last clip I recorded for this review of the difference between the audio quality of my phone compared to this wired microphone, and I noticed quite a big difference. It was quite echoey before because the phone was collecting all the noise from all around, bouncing off everywhere. And with the microphone itself, it's a lot more clear and it doesn't pick up all the noise from around the background. So I think this is a good quality USB-C external microphone that's wired. Cubilux USB-C microphone. Thanks for watching.